here this is the instance one more instance is instance 2, this one connecting two instances. Main thing we need to make sure log shipping means your log will be shipping one location to another location. How it will be traveling your data means through agent. That is the reason we need to make sure agent has to be running. Okay, then good. I have a database. I will take a database. I'm creating a new database. Let it create one. Create database. PrimeDB. Just empty database. Let it refresh this one. Yeah. Here. Go here. Options. Properties. Last option, transactional log shipping. Enable this. Backup. Okay. I think so. One more time I will repeat because Nitin is not there. Last class. Just this is our primary. This is a standby. Whatever maybe. This is our standby. How data will be traveling through agent. Whatever may be, it has to be. Data will be traveling like this. Data will be traveling through agent. I am creating a log shipping. What internally it will create means three jobs will be created. First is backup job. Backup job. This backup, it will take a log backup, and it will put it into one shared drive. This is one shared drive. From there, from this machine, you internally two jobs will be created here. That is copy job. One more is a restore job. From this instance. Okay, from copy job, what it will do is it will pick whatever backups is there, it will pick it and copying from this location. It will put it into your folder, whatever you have, your internal folder, it will put it into this one. Okay, then restore job will be restoring to this instance. This is called log job, log shipping. Now, if backup fails, what happens? Your complete your log shipping may fail. If copy job, okay, no problem. This is also, if it fails, you have to restore. Okay, every my logs shipping sequence is like every 1 hour. Okay, my client is asking every 1 hour you need to make sure your log shipping has to run. What we will do, scheduling a backup jobs, right? All scheduling. We will schedule for every 1 hour. Every 1 hour means how many pieces you will be generating here means 24 pieces. 24 backups it will be generated, and these complete 24 backups it has to be restored here. Suppose accidentally one backup has been missing, like 1 p.m. backup is missing, then complete remaining backups also failed because sequence will be missing. That is the reason we are log backup, we are doing transactional log backup. Okay, you have to be keep safely. If one file or two files are missing, you cannot restore that sequentially. That is the reason nowadays people won't going for using this log shipping nowadays. Previously we are using that, And now mirroring concept is very good concept. That is the reason we are not using. Okay, see, every 1 hour means 24 pieces. Okay, like if you configuring for every 15 minutes means 24 into 4, how many? Maybe a lot of files will be created. Okay, like we cannot, if something crashed out, for example, if something is crashed, you have to be restore all files what we have, all files, one file, no recovery, no recovery, no recovery, like that you have to restore, and last one you have to give it recovery. Means hectic job. It will be huge if every 15 minutes means plenty of files you need to be restored. Okay, that is the reason we are not at all using nowadays. Some companies will be using, but very few companies are using because of like some cases are like maybe clients have different clients, they need some at that time maybe useful. Okay, we'll see that. This, see one more, these folder should be in shared drive. You have to be giving for share, whatever maybe you have to give share to everyone or share to particular user, whatever maybe. Okay, I have a share, we are working on that. Yeah, this is my share. How should be there means, go here, go to properties, security, share, make sure. Yeah, already it is in share, I think so. No, everyone you can share that folder. Yeah, it has to be read right and share it. Yeah, like this it has to be your folder. Oh, this folder, complete folder, it should, it has shared, whatever maybe. Yeah, copy this link, make make a note. Otherwise, okay, no. We'll see. We have to test it like this. You have to give, yes, it has to be open like this. Okay, fine. Now it has been completed. Backup, what time we can schedule? Every 1 hour or 15 minutes or half an hour, like that you can schedule. Here in our case we can schedule at every 5 minutes, like that, or 4 minutes, just to see that. This one is we are doing in primary shared path, original where it is, that is also important. Original where it is, original file in this location. Okay, and every, it will delete every 72 hours, backup will be running at 1 hour like occurs. Then schedule, this one is important, schedule the job, whatever 15 minutes is there, defaultly 15 minutes. Now we are testing, right? That is the reason we am giving 5 minutes or 4 minutes. See that. Fine. Okay, this one is, first one is completed, this left side is completed. Then again we need to do add this instance, add, which instance I need to add, which database we are doing, this one. Okay. Yeah, this instance. See, this is three options is there. It will automatically take a full backup and restore, and I have a existing backup somewhere, whether somewhere it is you have given some path, that one already initiated, but we don't have any backup. We are generating from scratch. First option, restore options. You can set a data file location, C drive or D drive or E drive, whatever maybe. Copy files, where destination, where you need to copy this one, because we are using same server. I will give a local, just local, this folder I'm using, that local, and schedule it every 5 minutes. I'm scheduling. Okay, and restore job, no recovery mode. It is in recovery mode, standby mode. I will tell you that what is the difference between standby and no recovery mode. No recovery means people cannot be able to access. Fine, press it OK. Now transactional log has been completed. See this one. Um, See here, you can find PrimeDB. Three job, one job is backup job for Prime, one backup job, it is running. Second one, copy job, restore job. Just open and see that now. View history. Every 5 minutes we have some time around, it will run. And copy, it has to be, because we have 5 minutes, there is no any log. View history, nothing is there. Okay, we'll wait for some time. Now it started. Now we'll explain that. Just we can go with every step. See, first startup transaction log and primary, which directory, local. For this instance, it is showing as a local. It will put it into that shared drive. PrimeDB transaction started 5511 and yeah, TRN. Okay, backup has been completed. Now you can see in that folder, whatever maybe we have given this folder. Yeah, Prime started 5511. Okay, now you can see the second instance. Copy PrimeDB view history. Now 5511. It will started, it is started, but there is no file in that local drive. It is searching for that. It is searching for that. None in that local. Because same time it is started, 5555 minutes. All will be running. Okay, that is the reason 825 it is running. Then same time it is searching for that, right? That is the reason you cannot find out. Next job, next 5 minutes, then it will be started. No, same. And restore job also you can find out here. This one is different database. Now here restore local folder, there is nothing is there, like. Okay, and we'll wait for some other one more backup. Then let it run. Just we'll see one more uh, how to disable this one, how to disable log shipping completely. How to disable means we are working on DevDB, right? Go to this database. How to disable, go here, properties, whether you can find out. Oh, this is not demo class. Which database we are? DevDB, right? Yeah, DevDB. We are working on DevDB. DevDB. Go here, properties. This one. Yeah, this one is log database. Go here, properties, transaction log, uncheck. That's it. If you uncheck, your log shipping will be completely disabled. Delete all jobs, history, whatever may be. Yes. Yes, okay. All jobs. If you refresh this one, no, you cannot find out these things. Only prime is there. Okay, then we'll continue again. Maybe jobs are running. We'll see. Only once. 8:25. 1 minute is there. I think so. 8:30 it will be running. Now something crashed out. Something crashed out means all pieces, whatever we have the pieces, you can calculate and restore there. That's it. No recovery mode. Now you can refresh. Yeah, we got the backups. 30 backup also there. Second file, some last number 310, like that it is there. Okay. It's moving. Copy job. Refresh it. Copy job. Properties. Concept is from in this folder, from the we have some files, right? Shared folder, whatever files is there, it will copy to this location. This location here, a new folder to some local folder is there. There it will be falling. Yes, here this one is 30. Why files is not there? Yes, see here, copying file, first one 5511, where this is the location. From network path, this from this location to another location. Another location, destination, local. Okay, what happens means here you can notice that very important interview question. What is meant by dot work file? WRK. See here. What happens while traveling from this location to this location? SQL Server will be make it as a dot WRK file. Once it is reached, then it will rename it to normal trn format. That is what is meant by work means dot wrk means while traveling it will rename with dot wrk. Once reached it will rename to sorry dot trn format. Notice here, this is the my original file and destination is this one wrk. This one they rename it to wrk again with trn format. This is the why because of lot of files are there. Suppose work file it is traveling, once it is reached then it will restore. This dot work file it won't use for restore. Once reached only you can make it restore. Okay, that is main thing. Now you can see that restore job nothing will be there in restore, just it will climb blindly it will restore files. And see here,
So it has three different formats. One is WRK, .trn and TN.
no trn is normal transactional log backup, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is meant by log backup? Log, if you take a log backup trn format, same.
Yes.
You can go with C here, log backup normally trn backup only. See here.
No, the previous step you showed, like the first is .wrk, right?
Hmm. No, so I will show you same trn format only it will be there. Your database has been crashed.
Crash.
Yeah, what we need to do, what are the files you have, what are the, you have to verify that manually, if whether 15 minutes or 1 hour whatever maybe, you have to verify how many files are copied. Okay, 3 files are there, how many has been restored. Okay, see here, 3 files, you have to verify the file names. Verify the file names. Yeah, 511 511 511, this file has been restored. Again last file 511 only it has been restored. Then how many are pending, how many needs to be travel, all we need to verify it and restore manually. All files, first file, second file, no recovery, last file with recovery, then we can do that. Once this will become a primary, okay, then this will become like what, these both are disturbed whatever maybe, again you need to reconfigure log shipping. Okay, again you have to remove that from here. You can remove this one whatever maybe, break out your log shippings and enable freshly. That is the features of log shipping. And for log shipping related whatever information we have, it will be storing in your MSDB database. You can find out, you can just open and you can refer that, just error log history, you can see the history also. Right click and you can see the job history. Even though if you want to see like manually where internally which tables it has been stored means, it's in MSDB database. Okay, and this is called almost, this is called log shipping. And